Welcome to day 4. In day 4, we are not going to discuss anything related to coding, but in this video I will tell you how to code, how to write a better program. So it is all about styling your code. Let's write here styling your code. So something you need to keep in mind before writing your code. Okay, there are some techniques you should use. So first one is indentation. Indentation is, you have to always keep in mind that Python doesn't use any brackets inside a loop or for the loop. So if you want to know that if an item is inside the list or not, you have to use 4 spaces. You can say to make it use 4 spaces per indentation. Okay, let me show you example for I in length 5. Okay, for I in length 5, let's say I. So it is printing, print I. Okay, it is printing 0 1. So if you will see the gap 1 2 3 and 4, it is using 4 spaces. If you can add same, you can add same by using tab key. If you will press tab button, it will create 4 spaces and it will print the same. So you have to always prefer 4 spaces for indentation. If you want to insert for loop inside a for loop, and let's say for j in length 5. So if you have to add 8 spaces. Here you can see 4 spaces here, 4 spaces here. So now it is 8 spaces. So you have to use 4 spaces per indentation. Python use generally. Okay, so you should prefer that. Let's print str I plus str j. Okay, let's say 0 0 0 0. Okay, for indentation. The second one is line length. So the line length should be not more than 50 characters. Okay, most programmers generally use this technique because most of the computers support only 79 characters in a single line. So if you will add more than 80 characters inside in a single line, it may create some error. Or there are another reason, you can say that there are many developers or coders who use 2 to 3 tab in a single window. So it will create problems to read that code or maybe in execution. So it is better to avoid writing whole entire program inside a single line. You should prefer using not more than 80 characters. Let's say you can say here I can write multiple in a single line. Okay, let's say a equal okay, let's find the length of a. If this is a string, it may be okay, but for code like for loop, for condition, you should avoid using more than 80 characters. Okay, blank line. You should always use blank line to separate your program, to separate your code. In example you can see like for loop, let's say for I in range 5 and print I, sorry, print I. Okay, let's say for j in range 10 print I, print j, let's say for k in range 15 and print k. So you can say yeah, it will print all the things which you want, but it's not a good idea. Good idea is adding a spaces to the program. Let's say add one space here, let's say add one space, sorry, not here, let's say add one space here. Okay, so your program will look clean and good, and you can easily know that okay, these are the different code, these are the different code, these are the different code. So you should always use blank lines for that. These are some basic rules. If you want to know more rules about the styling your code, you should always check PAP, which is Python enhancement proposal. Okay, so you can simply search on Google and you will get a link to python.org and it will show you PAP, and there we can read more things related to that. This video was all about these things for styling your code. Okay, you should always keep these basics in your mind and you should write that code. Thank you.